Welcome back, cosmic travelers. Good morning. Good morning. How are you two today? Well, we're kind of tired. No coffee. No coffee. We had coffee this morning after waking up in this amazing desert. Tell our viewers where we are today. I don't remember. You don't remember? Well, gosh, I'm glad I brought my map. We have landed in Utah's Great Basin Desert to check out an incredible science art installation called the Sun Tunnels. Does that mean we're going to tunnel our way to the sun? Well, no, it's not quite that intense. The sun tunnels were designed by artist Nancy Holt, and they align perfectly in this exact location with the sun's position on the summer and winter solstices. That's June 21st and December 21st. They are the longest and shortest days of the year. This is kind of like a giant calendar, similar to Stonehenge in England. Except this is concrete henge. What? Concrete henge? Well, yes, no, you're right. These tunnels are made of concrete. This sounds kind of geeky. Are you going to spit some science facts? Spit some science facts? You guys are way too cool with your lingo. I hardly even understand what you're talking about. But okay, yes, I am absolutely geeking out here in this Utah desert. Some of our viewers might know that I worked as an astronomical observatory assistant when I was in college. I was an astronomy geek, and I worked at an observatory. But what do these tunnels have to do with science? So these tunnels have a very specific meaning and reason for being here. They show the positions of the sunrise and sunset on two very important days of the year. You see, the Earth is tilted at an angle on its axis of rotation. As the Earth revolves around the sun, the Earth's tilt causes the sun to rise and set in different positions on the Earth's horizon. But the sun doesn't actually set, does it? Well, technically you're correct. The words sunrise and sunset are misnomers used to describe what happens as the Earth rotates, causing daytime and nighttime. But still, the position of the sunrise and sunset changes throughout the year. I'm confused. Well, it is a little bit complicated. In the summertime, the apparent location of the sun is further north, but in the wintertime, the apparent location of the sun is further south. Here, I'll show you with this animation I made of the sun tunnels. In the summertime, a beam of sunlight at sunrise shines through these two tunnels. At sunset, the light from the sun shines through these two tunnels. But in the wintertime, because the apparent location of the sun has shifted southward, the sunrise shines through these two tunnels, and the sunset shines through these two tunnels. Does that mean the tunnels are literally angled to match the sun's position? Yep, that's exactly right. Each tunnel lines up with either the solstice's sunrise or sunset at those exact angles. Nancy Holt consulted with an astrophysicist named Leph and he calculated that the angles of the tunnels needed to be 31.98 degrees north and south of east and west. That's kind of specific. Oh, yeah, it's super specific, no doubt. It took a lot of calculations to make sure they lined up exactly with sunrise and sunset on those 2 special days. I feel like I'm standing in the middle of a giant sundial. No, that's spot on. But instead of just marking time, the sun tunnels mark cosmic events over the course of a year. It's a combination of art, math, and the natural world, kind of like Holt's way of connecting people with the movements of the solar system. I'm starstruck. You got it. I'm starstruck too. For now, let's bask in the cosmic alignment and remember science and art are the ultimate power couple. Hey guys, what are you doing? We're taking our field journal. Oh, you're putting notes in your field journal? Yep, that's what we're doing. Ah, that's a great idea. What does a field journal tell you? Well, we're writing down our observations, and we can use it later to write a report. That's a great idea, and everyone watching this video should think about always carrying a field journal with them and taking notes about their observations. I just fell over.